Government of India. But due to prevent bleeding, we follow the active management of third stage of labor. So we'll get the condition like mother delivered the baby. Now what you will do? So the baby have been delivered. She is gravid at 2 maybe. So her condition is there is chances of PPH. To prevent PPH, we manage active management of third stage of labor. So Anita, she's maybe some mother. I'll give her calm. First of all, I will calm and quiet environment. Everyone should not be there. Okay, the environment should be warm. The fans should be switched off. AC, everything warm environment. Baby is there. No? So I'll dry the baby. And Anita, congratulations. You have a birthday male baby. I'll replace with the dry towel. I'll keep the baby warm. I'll provide skin to skin contact. Anita, you have try to give breastfeeding, so it will be easy for your placenta to separate. As to prevent bleeding, we are going to manage active management of third stage of labor. We are going to give you injection oxytocin, okay, and we will deliver your placenta. Don't worry, okay. If you are you fine? Are you fine? Okay.
Fine.
So now I'll check for contraction of the uterus. Okay, give her 10 units of oxytocin. Okay, Anita, I'm going to give you oxytocin injection. Okay. So 10 units of oxytocin given. Then I will check for the contraction of the uterus. Okay, it's hard. Okay, and then I will see for the signs of separation of the placenta. There is gush of blood. There is lengthening of the cord. Okay, after giving oxytocin, wait for 10 minutes. Okay, there is signs of separation of placenta, there is gush of blood and lengthening of the cord. So what I will do, I will use active management. I will just use controlled cord traction. So I will guard the uterus. I will guard the uterus. Okay, we have to guard the uterus and then give traction. Control cord traction. Okay. So don't pull. Okay, gently downward you have to pull. Okay, you have to give downward pressure. Okay, gentle pressure. Don't. If it is not separating, change the position. Give her upright position. Okay. So through gravity, the placenta may get separate. Okay. Then I'll. Okay. Still, it is not. So before doing this, you have to check. Before going for this, you have to check for another baby. I forgot. Check for another baby. If another baby is there, you have to wait. You have to deliver the baby. Sometimes there may be another baby. Some parts of the baby. First check for another baby is there. Immediately delivery అయ్యి వచ్చేసారు అనుకోండి సడన్ గా బయట నుంచి వస్తాయి కదమ్మా పెరిఫరల్ అంటే సడన్ గా మదర్స్ వచ్చేస్తారు కదమ్మా ఏముండవు రిపోర్ట్స్ డెలివరీ అయిపోయిన బేబీని పట్టుకుని వచ్చేస్తారు అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి అప్పుడు ఇంకో బేబీ ఉందా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి పార్ట్స్ ఏమైనా కనబడుతున్నాయా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి ఓకే దేర్ ఇస్ నో అదర్ బేబీ దెన్ యూ గివ్ ఆక్సిటోసిన్ then you use control contraction. Okay, then okay, you give guard the uterus and still it is not separating, you give up, change the position, upright position, so that it will through gravity it will deliver. Okay, then also it is not delivering, there is bladder is full maybe, so I will just drain the bladder, I'll empty the bladder for your catheterization. I'll do, then you do the just control contraction. Okay, so okay. Okay, Anita, you are fine. You are okay. We have delivered your placenta. Okay. Then I will check for any tears are there. Check for any tear. Okay, there is no tear. Your is intact. No bleeding. Bleeding is not. So I'll see here. So the pulsation has been stopped. Then the pulsation has stopped. I'll cut and cut the. Like I will just clamp the placenta, I'll clamp the cord and cut the cord. Okay, Anita, are you fine? Yes. Okay, you give breastfeeding to your baby. Okay, have a conversation with your baby. Give some water to her if possible. I'll examine the placenta. This is the fetal surface. This is the fetal surface. It has the cord centrally placed. Cord is centrally placed, and I will check for the membranes. Membranes, it is intact. There is no it is not break. There is no retained membranes. So membranes are intact. It is intact. Okay, so only one hole is there. Through this the baby has come. So So if membranes are not intact, there will be tear in between. It's retain inside. So you have to check for the membranes. Membranes are
Intact.
Then you have to see the
Cartilages.
maternal surface. This is the maternal surface. Check for the cotyledons. Okay, all cotyledons are present. The edges are the edges are okay. So there is no other cotyledon. Excess cotyledon is not there. Okay.
వీడియో ఆన్ చేయకండి వీడియో ఆన్ చేయకండి ఇప్పుడు వరకు వీడియో తీసాను చెప్పండి
పర్లేదు.
లేదు
రాంగ్ కనపడిందా దాంట్లో?
కాదు
స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేయలేదు
వీడియో ఇప్పుడు వరకు ఆన్
వీడియో తీసుకుంటాను అనుకున్నారు మేడం కానీ ఆన్ చేయకుండా
సర్లేదు మేడం
అది వీడియో తీసుకుంటూనే ఆన్ చేయలేదు
చెప్పర్లే ఇలా టైం వేస్ట్
So the so placenta is intact. Okay, placenta is clear. You don't have any retained placenta. Okay, we'll wait the placenta and then we'll check for bleeding. There is bleeding is also less bleeding, no tears. Okay, fine. Then give breastfeeding to your baby. Give some water. Okay.
Okay.
Then there will be like baby's condition and mother's psychological condition also.
Abgar
is okay. Abgar score is okay. Then we'll just document. We'll document. The time of the delivery of the placenta and what medication you have given 10 units of oxytocin. Then there's quantity of blood loss is so and so. The mother's condition is fine. Mother's vitals is every 15 minutes I check the vitals and I record.
Placenta
Baby
weight
is fine. Baby's condition is fine. Abgar is fine. And the